have a clear pattern match on the webs.
Roger that. Rerouting the drone now. Get me a closer look at that rust detail.
GPS holding steady. Signal remains strong.
It's much bigger than expected. Nobody has entered this cockpit for decades.
No aircraft should be this massive.
Something gigantic has been living here.
It remains extremely limited.
Don't get too close. It's watching us.
I've never seen an aircraft this enormous.
This airplane hasn't moved in decades.
I can't believe how massive this thing is.
And look at that chameleon. It's huge, too.
Look at those nests. Something has lived here for years.
These engines haven't turned in many years.
Landing gear is finally visible.
The whole cabin has become a giant nest. The entire cabin is alive. Be careful. There may be more inside.
I'm getting a reading on the oxidized circuit box now. Send the data to the tablet. Check the rudder pedals next.
Today's mission is inspection only. Nothing moves until every risk is understood. The wingspan is even larger than the original records.
All right, team, secure the forward mounts. We are green for the initial lift sequence.
Copy that, Control. All systems showing stable.
Transport stability confirmed. Load secured. Begin route clearance. Maintain slow speed through the narrow section.
Now the real restoration begins.
Tomorrow, we strip away every layer of decay.
Leave the foam for 2 minutes before rinsing.
Now we're finally seeing the original surface. Start from the nose and work toward the tail. Don't miss any hidden sections.
Everything must be completely dry before disassembly begins.
Take your time around every rivet. Support the panel before removing the final bolts.
Tension the slings evenly. Watch the starboard side clearance.
Clear on the starboard side, coming up slowly. These wheels need complete rebuilding. Nothing gets repaired until every part is fully cataloged.
Nothing gets repaired until every part is fully cataloged.
Label every connector before removing it.
Now we rebuild this giant from the inside out.
Secure the engine mounts before removing the supports.
Landing gear alignment is now within specification.
Remove every trace of corrosion until clean metal appears.
Mark every damaged section before cutting begins. No hidden defects detected so far. Check alignment twice before the first weld.
Replace only the damaged section. Preserve the original frame.
These engines are ready for installation.
Be careful with the yoke, the film is coming off. This seat is heavier than it looks. Bring the floor panels next.
Inspect each component before installation.
Hydraulic lines secured and pressure ready.
The giant is whole again. Now it's time for the final restoration.
Every required part is present.
Everything is lining up exactly as expected. Panel alignment is exactly on specification. The surface has to be perfectly smooth before repairs. Every system is online and responding normally.
The coating has cured perfectly.
Lighting installation completed successfully.
Apply the final coat evenly from nose to tail.
This finish is better than factory quality.
All engines stabilized at idle. Oil pressure is green.
Roger that. First start sequence successful.
Steering, brakes, and controls feel excellent.
The restoration is complete. She's flying perfectly.